Guys, we didn't even get all of the segments that I wanted to get in. This segment could have been an hour long in itself. Shout out to my guy, Russ Vogel. If you know me, you know I can't do what I do without some key people. This year, Aaron Estrada, producer of the show, Russ Vogel, who handles all the technology stuff at the firm we're at. He does. I mean, technically, we have a team, but he is the brains at this point behind everything, and I just really work with Russ. And Russ is one of the best gift givers that I've had in my life over the last 10 years. And this year, he gave me this. He gave me this. Now, I don't know that I'm going to be able to show you guys in focus. It is a model car, and then Farmall, a hat. Now I'm an official. Like, I got a farm. I got a tractor. If you guys see my tractor, he gave me a model tractor and hat, classic of the one that I bought. How amazing is that? So thank you. I was like high and low because I got this, and then I'm like, how the heck I didn't know who sent it. Who would have had the wherewithal to send this? My guy Russ, I appreciate you. So I appreciate everybody that that has been supporting. But so what is in store for 2026? How was 2025? Let me give you guys a quick rundown. My highs in 2025 was we got our rehab done in our Washington, D.C. house. Thank Jesus. That was a headache. If you think you got money for real estate development and everything, okay, great, good for you. Until you do a rehab in Washington, D.C. or New York, and you get on the wrong side of the, whatever. So the fact that we got that done, it did come with some lawsuits. I had to sue a couple contractors. Me and the city got into a legal battle. So the mayor's office kind of got involved and helped us out there. But suing the city was difficult because the law firm that I was reaching out to, they're like, no, we work with the city. We work with the city. We have a conflict of interest. There's no law firm in DC that doesn't work with I don't know if they're a city or just a district. So that was really tough. I want to give you guys more advice next year on how to get into real estate investing, but I'm glad that worked out for me. The farm, a big plus because we got our animals and our farm animals in. We recently got some ducks. I want to share that with you guys. My car caught on fire. Stay tuned for Friday. My truck caught on fire. I wish I had this for y'all, but I took it out. I don't know. Do we have it? Well, that's the tractor there. That's my guy Russ. That's my little tractor. Come out to Theka Farms and enjoy. I got skeet shoot. I don't know what I'm doing out there, but it's just a learning curve. It's a journey. We can figure it out together. But we got some ducks, we got some lambs, we got some sheep and goat and all that. So the farm, now it's a little cold. We're going to really wait for springtime. We're going to be focusing on that and getting established for spring. Excited about that. Some of the difficulties of this year is I'm just doing too much, right? Like I'm not always with you guys as much as I want to. I want to get more content out because I do a lot, but I don't record it. Right, like I travel quite a bit. We did some large video commercials and productions for some clients. So I want to make sure that I record that for you guys. And a big news for next year, we're getting back into government contracts, fellas. We're getting back into government contracts. So what does that mean for you? That means that I want to do it in public. I want to be as transparent with y'all, win and lose, succeed and fail with you guys. So if you're interested in government contracts, maybe I'll do it on Friday. If you're in the Philadelphia area, I'm going to show you how to win government contracts in Philadelphia. Maybe I'll do it on Friday. Let me know. I'm going to send you the grant list. If you want help filling out the grants, let me know. If you want me to do it live, let me know. Oh yeah, these are my ducks, folks. These are the ducks. If you look on people's...
Chill out.
Yeah.
Problem. That one's a troublemaker. Chill out. Like be like your sister here, sweet.
Yeah. Do you know the look of people's face when you pull up to Wawa to grab a coffee and you got a bunch of ducks and you're black? They're like, what you doing with the ducks? Mind your business. No questions. Mind your business. If you don't want to buy a duck, you don't need to know. Just let it go, Papa. We farmers now, baby. Just a farmer doing the farming things. So yeah, so we got that. They're loving it. We're creating of course, I got a lake. I got an amazing 20-acre lake that now these little guys are going to be able to jump around in. But ultimately, 2025 has been this was the car caught on fire. The firefighters didn't really do much. I already took it out. I was throwing snow in the car. And then I realized, I'm like, why am I doing this? Shout out to the fire departments everywhere. The best social service that we have in this country are firefighters. Shout out to firefighters. EMTs too, I'm sure. Not sure yet. I haven't really had to experience y'all too much. But no, firefighters still on top. Sorry. Firefighters, best social service we have in this country. Here's why. These guys, I called them. I was like smoking my car. I didn't get great videos because by the time I was recording, I'm like, this car is going to blow. I don't want to be Tom Cruise in Vanilla Sky. I don't want to get my face all burnt up for content. I should have done it though. But the firefighters came, and then they hooked me up. They got blah, 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 and then they left. They didn't even take my information and give me a bill. They didn't ask me if I had insurance before they took it out.
From the company.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See that? You see that flash a little bit, and like so, fuel was coming out the bottom of the car, and I was hearing ka 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 ka, and I'm like, it's about to blow, and I did, and I had to get the ducks out. And I was like, what do I do? What do I do?
Hey.
But long story short, 2025 was a ride, and I can't thank you enough for taking that ride with me. And I can't wait for 2026. We're going to get into government contracts. We're going to get into lending opportunities. I want to be so transparent with y'all. I've been very successful, but my biggest success has been with you guys. So thank you for that. See you guys next year. Thank you for watching the Ask Dom Nash Show.